Deanna Mcfarlane here with Real Broker, and I am located in Vista Crossing in the town of Crossfield. This amazing new community has so many things to offer, like parks, pathways, a new school coming, and my new listing, 41 Amery Crescent, is so great. Come check it out.
Welcome to 41 Amery Crescent. From the moment you enter, you're going to be wowed by the 9-foot ceilings, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, gorgeous open floor plan. Upstairs, you have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with impeccable design. The backyard is massive for all your outdoor needs, and this home also comes with an oversized double detached garage.